to make money from home while homesteading.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
If you're anything like me, then your dream was to be a homesteader. You wanted to live on a farm, have animals, grow your own food, provide for your family, and get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. I am a little bit more of a modern homesteader because we do have electricity and I do have internet. And the internet is one way that I use to make money online from home while running my homestead. Having a homestead and leaving every day to go to work and provide for your family, well, that's something that my husband does. Me, I wanted to have a homestead and I wanted this to be my job. I want to have a garden and I want to have to wake up every day and tend to it because I need to provide food for my family. I didn't want to necessarily have to leave the house in order to make money to support us. So I found some really great avenues that I want to share with you today for making money while living on your homestead. The first way and most obvious is YouTube. You can bring in a monthly income from YouTube as long as you have enough subscribers, your channel is monetized, you make relevant videos to your audience, and you have an audience. Making money on YouTube is not a jump in and tomorrow you have a paycheck kind of gig. It is putting in hours and hours of work before you see any type of return. However, I promise you that those hours are worth it. It could take months in order for you to get the number of subscribers and views needed to become monetized. And then even after you became monetized, you might not even see an income for a few months after that. But don't let that deter you. Just like the start of any business, you have to keep going. And YouTube can be a great way for you to bring money into your homestead without ever having to leave the house. Another way to make money online is through Adsense. I have a blog and a website, homesteadingfarmlife.com. If you haven't been there, go check it out. And through your blog and your website, you can have ads on there. And you're paid through Adsense for the ad revenue that you help generate. That can be a way, if your blog and your website is popular enough, you can create an Adsense account through Google and you can pop a few ads on the back end of your website, and that can be a way to help generate money and income on your homestead. You really have to have a busy website and people who like to read and look at things on your website and relevant ads in order to make money doing this. An additional way that I make money on the homestead online, never leaving my house, is through Amazon. I became an Amazon associate or an Amazon affiliate, and what that means is whenever I make videos and whenever I create website posts, I will put links in those posts, and every time you click on one of those links and buy one of those things, I get a percentage of that money, and it goes back into running my homestead and creating more content for you guys. You can put these links anywhere. If you become an affiliate with Amazon and you're scrolling through your social media posts and someone asks you what's your favorite kind of nesting pads for your chicken's nesting boxes, you can go to Amazon, find your favorite one, go up, get your own personal link, and post that to that person. Now when they click on that link and they go through and they buy that product, you're going to get a percent of that money. So this can be applied everywhere. It doesn't have to be applied only to the things that you're creating, such as videos or websites. It can also be applied to you just going through and being active on social media. Amazon really brings in money quickly. It's a monthly payment system, so as long as you have met their payment threshold, you'll be paid every month. And if you have people clicking through and you're giving them items that they really want to buy, then they're going to buy them and you're going to make money. The fourth way that I have for you to make money online is eBay. A lot of us are collectors of old and collectors of new, or we just have a whole bunch of stuff laying around that we don't necessarily need anymore. eBay is kind of like a big, huge, giant garage sale, thrift sale, marketplace that goes out to the entire world and isn't just your neighbors coming from next door to see what you have in your driveway for sale. You can sell old tractor parts, you can sell things that you collected, old toys from whenever you were younger. You can sell all kinds of really awesome and amazing things on eBay, and the possibilities are endless. That is an instant payment. If you list an item right now and they pay you right now, you get the money right now. So if you list an item and then 5 minutes later somebody buys it, that is instant money in your pocket. eBay is a very quick way to get money whenever you need it in a pinch. You just have to make sure that you have the right things to sell. So whenever I was younger, my parents were really big into autographs, and they went around collecting autographs from all these famous people for my mom and my dad and my two brothers and myself. And whenever I got older, they gave me all these binders, and I'm talking 3-inch binders full of autographs. Well, what am I going to do with these? There's nothing I can do with these. So I listed them on eBay and made thousands of dollars off of something that my parents collected for me whenever I was younger. And that goes for stamps. I sold stamps, garbage pail kids cards, all kinds of stuff that my parents had kept for me, that I had played with whenever I was a kid, or that I had kept for myself. But I have bought jewelry boxes off of eBay. I have bought washer and dryer replacement parts off eBay. We bought tractor parts off eBay. The possibilities are endless. If you have something in your house or on your homestead that you don't need anymore and you think that someone else is going to want, go to eBay, put your item in the search for it, click the sold little option on the left-hand corner. I guess it would be over here, wouldn't it? Click the sold option over in the left-hand corner, and then look and see what your item is currently selling for on eBay and when's the last time it sold. So then you would know if it's even worth listing. If there hasn't been one sold in 4 months and there's 3 of them already listed, you need to hold on to that item for just a little bit longer and then find something else that you can sell. But if you see something that is selling every single day or once a week and there's none listed or 2 listed, you want to get your stuff listed right away. So eBay is a really, really quick and awesome way to make money online while on the homestead. The final way I have for you to make money on the homestead, and one of my biggest incomes, is being a virtual assistant. I am a virtual assistant. I work from home online through my computer, and I am actually a business manager for another YouTuber who is a narcissistic abuse coach. And I manage all of her appointments, incoming and outgoing. I do her invoices, manage her money, manage her other employees, answer her emails, do all of her social media. There are lots of different ways online that you could apply for virtual assistant jobs. Some of them are just being secretaries. I know someone who was a virtual assistant online and she was a secretary for a dentist's office. So I would look into your options, see what's out there, network a little bit. Virtual assistant jobs can really bring in a lot of cash flow quickly, and all you're doing is being at home on the farm. I take my phone with me whenever I leave, or my tablet with me whenever I leave, and I can work via mobily through those if I have to go somewhere and still work for my virtual assistant job. Gives you a lot of flexibility to do the things that you need to do on the homestead. You can still get up in the morning and feed the animals. You can come back in, be in your pajamas, take off your muddy boots, go down and sit in front of the computer, answer your emails for the morning, check all of your messages, make sure your invoices are done, and then get back up so you can go do a load of laundry take care of the garden, and just do all of those things that comes with running a homestead. Share your thoughts with me. What are some ways that you make money online while homesteading? I would love to hear your ideas and your thoughts. Please leave them down in the comments below.
Thank you for watching today's video on homesteading farm life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.